Hello, living good. Look at these little buggers, folks. Black cockatoos. Now they're living good. I don't know if you can see them there. Cute little buggers. Absolutely beautiful. Sounds like there's a baby with them. Or two. Most of these could be babies actually. All the infants have been left together to stay in protection while the parents go out. Just thought I'd quickly show you that. Some amazing signs of nature. Beautiful little buggers. Beautiful birds. All hanging out enjoying the morning on an absolutely glorious day. There's beautiful community there, folks. Community is unity. Keep on living good. Have a great day, folks.